A tidy house is a tidy mind. Here at Bundle, we are striving to create a cleaner future for students, and we believe that all starts with a bundle. My name is Jack Bergman. I'm the co-founder of Bundle, and Bundle is a solution to the problem I just outlined. It is a monthly subscription service delivering students cleaning products and essentials across the UK. The business has two sales channels. It's B2C, private housing, and B2B, supplying accommodations, all the cleaning products they need. There's two main reasons why the accommodation should sign up. One is that hygiene cannot be looked in a post-COVID society. And two, this is not a cost for the accommodation. This is an investment. When they sign up to Bundle, they are actually reducing refurbishment costs at the end of the term by giving the students all the tools they need to keep the kitchen clean. Bundle is also a social enterprise, and that is why we'll be donating 10% of our profits to Student Minds. Thank you.